how to disable participants from presenting something in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this simple and easy tutorial, I'm going to guide you on how you can disable or prevent your participants from presenting something in your Teams meeting. So in case you want to disable this particular feature of presenting anything like the screen or windows in the meeting, then you can simply disable it by following these easy and simple steps. So the first thing that you will need to do is click onto this more button that is present at the top. And once you click onto this more button, you will see a menu like this. Now in this menu, you will need to click or hover your cursor over to this settings gear icon. The moment you will do so, two further menu will appear that are meeting option and accessibility. So you will simply need to click onto this meeting options, and the moment you will do, you will see the meeting options over the right hand side of the screen. Now from here you can see the second line that says who can present, and as you can see it is currently set to everyone, which means everyone can present. If you want to disable this, simply choose the only me option. This means that others will not be able to present in this meeting, and then click the save button. And once you can see that this has been saved, this will enforce and ensure that nobody is able to share their screen or window in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.